James just randomly got in this car with this guy. Now they're doing donuts with a GoPro.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics. Perhaps the most famous classic in all the world of music.
The first time around, you didn't quite understand our new style speak.
Don't worry, we can fix that right now.
So why don't you all just grab your bag?
Come on board, hoist the anchor. We'll be
Dance,
off.
everybody!
Answering any of the service, prerogative, praise positively, I'm acquitted. Enemies publicly shame my utility. After the battle, their missions, I'm with it. Simply sue, well moved. Vinyl like blue, transistors on, never more shown with life. When vocal flow brings it all down in ruins. Due to a clue of a naughty noise called plug tuning. Flock to the future called Haas. Let them be the stir to the style of your stew. Sit while the kick of the plug form aroma. Then grab a daisy to sip your favorite brew. Letting this soul fire be your first fire. But don't let the kick drum stop your big toe.
What is he doing?
What?
How do you feel, Luke? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for my brother. This is the beat, so
now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big love. I'm just pumped. I bought some from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cool one.